चेयरमैन सेनेट यूसुफ रजा गिलानी कॉन्वोकेशन से खिताब कर रहे हैं।
Places you in the position of responsibility. Pakistan needs graduates who can create solutions, generate employment, and contribute to national development. Ladies and gentlemen, as I mentioned before, promotion of higher education, science and innovation has always remained close to my heart. My resolve in this regard is also rooted in the vision of our great leader, Shaheed Mohtarama Benazir Bhutto, who once said, and I am pleased to quote, "In our times, an individual's education, intelligence and wisdom create cumulatively the wealth of a nation. Therefore, investment in an individual through education and health will determine the quality of a society and the future of a people. I am therefore determined that quality education reaches all so that Pakistan can tap into creative abilities of this vast pool of eager